Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on meal kits with HelloFresh easy tutorial step by step clearly. To save on meal kits with HelloFresh, start by visiting the HelloFresh website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Browse through the various meal plan options available. Select a plan that suits your dietary preferences and family size. Look for any current promotions or discounts that HelloFresh might be offering. These deals can significantly reduce your first order cost. Once you've chosen a meal plan, move on to selecting your meals for the week. Be sure to check the prices of individual meals. Some meals may be less expensive than others. To maximize savings, focus on the lower-priced meal options. After selecting your meals, proceed to checkout. Enter any promotional codes you found earlier. Review your order summary to ensure everything looks correct. Consider opting for a smaller box size if you want to save more. If you're ordering for multiple weeks, explore subscription options. Some subscriptions may have additional discounts for long-term commitments. Once your order is confirmed, keep an eye on your email for future promotions. Set reminders for when your subscription renews to reassess your plan. Cancel any plans you no longer want before the renewal date to avoid charges. Enjoy your delicious, budget-friendly HelloFresh meals, and remember to check back for more savings opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.